Want access to Instagram Insights, advanced tools, and features designed for creators and businesses? Switching to a professional Instagram account can help you grow your audience, track performance, and manage your online presence more effectively. In this guide, I'll show you how to switch to a professional Instagram account in 2026. A professional account gives you access to features like insights, audience analytics, contact options, promotional tools, and content performance tracking. It's designed for creators, influencers, brands, and businesses. First, open Instagram and sign in to your account. Then tap your profile picture to open your profile page. Tap the menu icon in the top corner of your profile, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll through the Settings menu and look for options related to account type and tools or creator and business features. Tap the option labeled Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will display an overview of the features you'll receive after switching. Select a category that best describes your content, business, or brand. Categories help visitors understand the purpose of your account. Instagram typically offers two professional account types, creator and business. Creators are often used by influencers, public figures, and content creators, while business accounts are designed for companies and organizations. Follow the remaining setup prompts to configure your account. You may be asked to add contact information, business details, or additional profile information. After switching, explore your new professional features, including insights, audience analytics, content performance reports, and promotional tools. These features can help you better understand your audience and improve your content strategy. Update your profile photo, bio, website link, and contact options to create a professional appearance for visitors and potential followers, And that's how to switch to a professional Instagram account. Whether you're building a personal brand, growing a creator profile, or managing a business, professional tools can provide valuable insights and growth opportunities. So take some time to explore the analytics and features available after making the switch. Thanks for watching.